You guys sit down in it and drive it?
Can you drive the tractor?
Sit down in it and push the pedal. You gotta get up in there and sit on a chair.
And turn it on.
Yeah, when you press the pedal, it'll take off.
Right here. That's gonna make it move. Push the pedal.
Push the pedal down and it's gonna move.
Push your foot tap. Push your pedal. Push your foot on it. No, sit up and push it.
Ooh. Can you turn the steering wheel while you go?
You're yelling. Push it. Push the pedal.
You gotta step on the pedal to make it go.
Push the pedal.
You don't have a horn.
Yay!
All right. Keep going. Hold the pedal down.
Good job. Turn the wheel.
Don't tell him to turn it now. He's heading for the pole. That's cool, huh? Keep pushing the pedal. Go turn the wheel the other way. Hold it down. Can you turn the wheel? Turn the steering wheel to the other direction while the pedal's down. Gotta turn it hard.
Hey, John. I'm making a right turn.
Push down hard on the floor, on the pedal. No horn. Yeah, you gotta use it with your feet only though. See, now steer it straight and then go. Woo. Probably need to make that seat come forward a little bit.
Watch where you're going, baby. Okay, push. Take it in the backyard.
Can you drive it to the backyard? Turn the wheel, make it go the right way.
Push.
This way.
Oops, it's got reverse. Okay, push this way. Go.
Okay, now let him steer.
The camper.
Don't hit the camper.
Turn the wheel a little bit. Guide it.
Around the camper.
Don't give on the camper.
You gotta drive it. There you go. Keep going. Put it in the backyard. Whoop.
All right. Oh, you're burning wood? You gotta watch the steering wheel.